Hi. I wanted to expand a little bit more on the Note app, specifically the pen. So if I click on Note, we talked about the pens in the previous video. In this case, if I want to click on Write, I have three options of writing. One is going to be using our finger, and by default, it's white. So I can actually, let me just change this, and you'll see the preview also change to yellow. The next one is our thin pen, which we're going to set this, say, to a light green, and it's a thin option. And our thick pen will do, say, a nice blue, and we'll make that super thick. Okay, so let's just do finger, thin, and then the thick side of the pen. So we have the three. One of the questions is, what do these other pen options offer? And the answer is absolutely nothing. They do the exact same thing as the pencil. So, whichever one you choose, they're all the same. And why, do you ask, are they there? A previous version of the Samsung WAB had the option to do like color changes and blending. I'm going to show you where we can find that next, but we do have an option which is this magic wand. It's the star at the top. And if I just take this and I say we're on the blue pen, I'm going to just do that. And it's going to suggest an image that I'm trying to draw. So if I take this, oh, too many. Let's go, let's just choose one. Okay, so if I choose like a house, okay, I can suggest a house. So that's what the magic pen does. Actually, I've been trying to draw that. Okay, so what there was on the previous version, let's get out of Note app. Don't save. I'm going to come to our little waffle at the bottom, which shows me all the apps that we have. I'm going to look for one that says Palette. And you'll see a little paintbrush here. So this is, you're going to see some of the tools kind of look similar, right, at the bottom. And this is what we had on a previous app where I have green, and I want to blend it, say, with a purple. So let's do a purple with a little bit of green. Ugh, that's a terrible color to choose. Let's do, let's make it fully yellow and then blend it with just a little bit of green. Okay, so this is more on the palette artistic side that is no longer used in the whiteboard space. Yep, and that's it.